Breme is a small medieval town with a rich history, situated amidst the green lungs of the Lomellina, in the province of Pavia, where the river Sesia flows into the Po. Its history began in 906, when the Marquis Adalberto of Ivrea presented the Benedictine monks of Lomellina, evicted during the Saracen raids, with the courts of Breme and Policino. They built the Abbazia di San Pietro in Breme, which became one of the most important abbeys in Italy and Europe in the 10th and 11th century. In 1542, the monks of Lomellina were replaced by the monks from Monte Oliveto in the province of Siena. The former abbey currently houses the town hall. In the complex of the abbey, other sites worth seeing are the crypt of the ancient church, dating from the 10th century. The cloisters and the friar's kitchen, the refectory and the ice house dating from the 16th century. Also interesting is the collection The Corner of Memories, set up in the rooms adjoining to the refectory. Continuing the visit in the historical centre, particularly interesting is the Church of Santa Maria Assunta, built in the 10th century and renovated in the 15th century, with the early Christian baptistery dating from the 8th century, now attached to the church. Nearby is the 17th century obelisk of San Carlo Borromeo. Walking through the fascinating historical centre, you can visit the 17th century church of San Sebastiano, which preserves some valuable works of art. As well as the church of Santa Maria of Policino, dating from the 10th century. Moreover, there are many environmental and historical cycle paths available to tourists to visit the surrounding area, starting from the Paradise area, situated at the confluence of the Po and Sesia rivers. In 2008, the municipality of Breme officially established the brand Deco for the red onion of Breme. Its characteristic flavour has earned it the nickname La Dolcissima. Its millenary history is due to the monks of Lomellina, who decided to elect the rich, pleasant and fruitful land as the seat of the congregation, starting its cultivation. It is a particular variety of onion with a limited production, which is cultivated only in the land of the municipality of Breme, in the middle of Lomellina. To complete the visit, we invite you to taste the various delicacies prepared with La Dolcissima by local restaurateurs. Also, do not miss the annual festival dedicated to La Dolcissima. It is worth mentioning that since June 2020, La Dolcissima is included among the slow food presidia.